You see, I was always fascinated by mountains. As a kid, I'd love to think they were giants waiting to be awakened. Today, I have a strange love-hate relationship with them. My feet hate the climb, but once I'm at the peak, I can't get enough of the views. Given the limited opportunities to travel this year, I had the Alps in mind. And frankly, when you want to see mountains, Slovenia is the best place to start. Leaving nature, you're hit by the scent of great food, sound of buzzing cute little towns, and the castles teleport you back to relive its history. Every step you take is an experience. The gorges, the small towns, the breathtaking views, or even the seaside with its historical cities. Thanks, Slovenia. I feel you. I'll be back.